Hello everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku charts.com daily analysis for the SP 500 for Friday, November the 13th. Well, a small green body candle today, and the green body tells us that the buyers have made some net bullish progress on the day between the open and the close. And in bar chart terms, this is an inside day. Inside days raised doubt about the viability of the trend that the market is in at the current time. So here we have a market that just began a first time frame downtrend on the previous day with strong downside price rejection from this 1106 area, and we have an inside day with the color of the body of the candle being green, which is potential for a reversal signal here. And also the short-term dynamics telling us that the bears have lost control of this market. They were in control previously and had fairly strong control, but now the bears have lost that control and they haven't shown enough commitment to continue this trend down. Now, the trend has not finished though. We still do have a downtrend in place, but the inside day, as I've said, raises doubt about that. Now, the market opened down towards the low and closed up just above the midpoint level, which is also telling us that the bulls have closed the market only slightly in control. Very, very weak control, though, and we can see from the shadow on the top of the candle that the bulls lost the commitment that they had when the market was trading up around that level. So even though we have not a solidly, we've lost all of the bearishness in this market, we still don't have a solid bullish candle today. So that raises some doubt about there being a change of trend. Now, we need to keep an eye on the high of the current candle for a potential change of trend to the upside, so a higher high and a higher low would give us a change of trend, and obviously this 1106 area is a very strong area of potential resistance for this market, and all through this region we can see here that there was previous downside price rejection from around the 1100 area, and that rejection was quite a way down through there, and that's where the market's been rejected from at the moment too. If the market does continue down in the first time frame, then we have solid support at the 1080 level, which was a previous resistance area and then held as support, and then potential for support at the Kijun-sen and Tenkan-sen, which are roughly in the same area, around 1067, 1069, so there's potential for that. If the market trades down through there, then the top of the cloud, which coincides with this previous support and resistance area around 1040, 1041, should hold as an area of support. So there's some good strong support on the way down for this market, and the 1100 to 1106 areas is very strong resistance and very important resistance for this market. Now, the market is trading up above the cloud or the Kumo, which means that the market has an overall positive bias, and the market is also trading up above the Kijun-sen and Tenkan-sen, and that is telling us that the market is still bullish. And interestingly, the Tenkan-sen has begun to point up again, and that's reflecting some upside momentum, and that's what we've seen in the last day, and fairly sharply. So there is potential for the market to start trading up. Interestingly, though, the Kijun-sen is flat, and that's representing that the market is in equilibrium in a higher time frame, and there is potential for the market to continue to pull back towards that flat equilibrium. The market did begin that. Yesterday we had the start of the pullback in the first time frame downtrend, and that's what happens when we have the Kijun-sen turn flat, and it tends to be an attractor of price action. So there still is every chance that the market will trade down to that region. So overall the market is still positive. We have a very short-term pullback in this market to the downside. Potential for a change of trend to the upside though, but we have a very strong area of resistance for this market to trade through.